Hello everyone and welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews and the Life of Scott. So today we are unboxing the Handler floating hand grip made for GoPros and other action cameras. So let's get right into it. By the way guys, if you're interested, you can find this in my video description for a cheap price from a safe seller. So this says GoPro, so officially you could use, it's made to use with a GoPro, but you don't have to use a GoPro. And what this is, you put your GoPro in here, you got a nice little handle for if you know you're doing something that involves action and you don't want to actually hold your little GoPro in your hand. So we're going to test this out and show you guys how exactly it works. Okay everyone, before we get started, there's a few things that you're going to need. You're going to want your action camera, whatever it is. You're going to want one of these. You're going to want a protective case for your action camera, and then of course the product itself. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your action camera into the waterproof casing here. So you're just basically going to thread it in. So we're going to go ahead and slide it how we want the GoPro or our action camera. So what we're going to do is we're going to clip this on a wall like so. Take this, run it through, and then we want to see how we want the camera. So let's zoom out here. So we can hold it this way or you can hold it that way. All depends on how you want it. So that just slides right in and locks in place just like this. So you have the ability to turn it like that, and if you're like this, it's going to be a little tougher holding it like that. So you want to figure out how you're going to hold it to begin with, and of course to pop it out you just squeeze the sides. So we could bring it down from bottom and go up and hold it out like that. That way we can have it here, and we can also hold it out like this. So that's how we're going to do it. So we can hold it facing us. It should stay pretty good with tightening it with your hand.